Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Pilot key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry open the fob casing. Crucially, have a new CR2025 3-volt lithium battery ready for replacement. A clean, well-lit area will make this simple task even easier. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on one of the narrow edges of the fob. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, observe which way the positive or plus side is facing. Gently pry out the old CR2025 battery using your screwdriver. Now, take your new CR2025 3-volt lithium battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Make sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking, to ensure the new battery is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.